Hello guys, if you want to do an engine swap in Forza Horizon 6, then first you need to go into the garage. Once you are there, head over to car section and then select the vehicle that you want to modify. After choosing your car, go into upgrades and tuning. Now from here, select custom upgrades and then look for the conversion or body kits and conversion category. Keep in mind, not every single car in the game will have engine swap options available, so sometimes you may not see it at all. But if the car does support it, then you should see the engine swap option appear. Once you open it, you will get a list of all the available engines that you can install into that car. You can also preview how the engine sounds before buying it. Just use the acceleration trigger or throttle button and the game will rev the engine so you can hear the sound difference. Then once you find the engine you want, simply select it, go back and install the parts. After that, the game will show you the total price and you will need to pay credits in order to complete the swap. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.